Hello and welcome to Bonsai. My name is Adin and today I want to show you a follow-up on my cuttings. I have here two Ficus carica cuttings. It's the common edible fig. You can make great bonsais out of these guys. Here's one and here's the second one. I've rooted these cuttings about 4 months ago. They're doing well, they're healthy, they're well fertilized, but the pots are quite small and we need to place them in bigger pots, because you can always have small bonsais but you cannot have thin bonsais. You need a thick trunk for your bonsai to get that old tree look that we are all looking for. I also have here a Chinese rose. I think this rooted about 5 months ago, also a small pot. I think it's full of roots. I can feel them. We also need to place this in a larger pot. Remember, these are not bonsais. They're not bonsais yet. So you cannot think at them as bonsais. You need to grow them. You need to let them gain a lot of energy. Okay, let's talk about the substrate, the soils. This is kyodama. It's a great fired up clay. This is peat, because you always need some organic soil when you're dealing with very young trees. And this is kyodama, well-known kyodama. And of course, a little secret ingredient. We all have them. We all have secrets. Okay, let's mix up the soil. This is a great bonsai soil. The kyodama is fantastic. The kyodama is fantastic. This is my potting mix. So this is my new pot. As you can see, it's quite bigger. It's quite a big pot. But as I said before, we need to let this guy generate roots. A lot of roots, so they can grow freely and gain a lot of vigor and a lot of health. Okay, let's see how the roots look. We're gonna press gently and try to pull out the tree without disturbing too much the root system. Let's see. Gently, and this is our tree. I'll try to get rid of the mesh. This is perlite and peat. Okay, now let's try to place the tree. I think it's good. Yeah, that's fine. And fill up the pot. Okay. let's take a little chopstick. Try not to hit the roots. Try not to hit the roots. And I think we're fine. So this is the second ficus. Okay, here comes the Chinese rose. Let's see. But first, the soil, the potting mix. This is very nice. Get rid of the mesh. Or at least try to do that. Okay, gentle. And that's it. We have roots. We have nice roots. And straight into the pot. Clean it up a little bit at the surface and straight into the pot. This will make a nice cascade bonsai. Right now I'm going to the shower. I'm going to water them thoroughly to get rid of all the dust in the pots, and I'll come back. 3 little piggies. They already look larger. They have a lot of room now for roots to grow in. They have high quality bonsai soil. Bonsai potting mix, and we'll let them grow freely for at least 1 year, maybe 2. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you can understand at least a little bit of what I'm talking, because this is my first video in English. Nevertheless, let's skip the language barrier and try to understand that making bonsai from scratch is a great way to understand what bonsai is really about. Just buying already made bonsais will not give you a truly understanding of what bonsai making really means. So I encourage you all, get some cuttings, root them and start your own bonsai from scratch. I know it takes time, it takes a lot of time, but there will represent your own creations from scratch, from zero. Okay, from zero to hero. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to Bonsai. See you next time. All the best.